Let's look at the case for science. The science combing chart presented is the one used for the previous year's timetable construction. Notice the principle in terms of how Key Stage 4 is being constructed. There are 10 separate science classes, and they all receive 10 individual periods of science across a fortnight cycle. This is clearly shown in both the Year 11 case and the Year 10 case. However, in the case for Year 11, 6 of the periods out of the 10 are taught en bloc. This means all of those classes on together at the same time, irrespective of whether it's the L half of the population or the S half. The other 4 periods, 11L or 11S, are offset against modern foreign languages. The combing chart reflects this, and a similar situation exists in Year 10. What's important is to strive for consistent teaching teams, so that the team for 10L or 10S is the same in Year 10 as it is for 11L and 11S. This provides the timetabler with more flexibility. Also of importance is the nature by which teaching teams at Post 16 are drawn together. For example, in the case of 12D physics, it can be seen that 4 periods have been allocated to DM, and 4 periods have also been allocated to JWB. This represents a good pairing because JWB is linked with the 11S half, whereas DM is linked with the 11L half. Similarly, 12C physics, KS and MA is also good pairing. KS is linked with the 11L half, whereas MA is linked with the 11S half. So the flexibility for the timetabler is programmed into the design of the combing chart. Year 9 is a course which is blocked, 9C for 6 periods, that's half the year group population. The other half would be 9T, even though this example has 9C shown twice. This would be easy to correct just by changing the 9C into the 9T using the key provided. Year 7 and 8 have so far not been entered onto this combing chart, and that would be possible. For example, looking at Year 8 for 5 periods across a fortnight cycle, let's assume that NC will be picking up 5 periods of 8C. Those 5 periods have now put NC exactly onto the fully allocated load of 36 periods, and therefore his line has turned green. No more periods can therefore be allocated to this member of staff. Year 7 and 8 classes can be scheduled much more flexibly on the combing chart, filling in intervening spaces because they are linear based subjects, and this means that they can fill in any spaces presented on the combing chart in order to meet the allocations required. Any further help or guidance on the completion of the combing chart to make it as effective as possible, please come and find me, and then I'd be happy to work together in terms of producing the next one